PHP is a popular programming language used for creating dynamic and interactive web pages. It is a server-side scripting language, which means that it runs on the web server before being sent to the user's web browser. PHP is often used in combination with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create complete web applications. One of the most basic concepts in PHP programming is variables. Variables in PHP are used to store data that can be used later in the code. To create a variable in PHP, you can use the $sign followed by the name of the variable and an optional initial value, like this. In this example, we are creating a variable called $myVariable and assigning it an initial value of hello, world. The $sign is used to indicate that we are creating a new variable, and the equal sign is used to assign a value to the variable. Once a variable has been created, you can use it throughout your code by referencing its name. For example, you could use the following code to print the value of $myVariable to the screen. This would output the value hello, world, to the screen. Variables in PHP can hold a variety of data types, including strings, numbers, booleans, arrays, and objects. They can also be assigned values based on the result of calculations or other operations. It's important to note that PHP is a loosely typed language, meaning that the data type of a variable is determined at runtime based on the value assigned to it. This can make PHP a very flexible language, but it also requires careful attention to variable types to avoid errors in your code.